Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to unban from OmeTV. There's a two way to get unbanned from OmeTV. First method is pay for unban. Open your browser and go to the OmeTV. After that you will see that you are banned. Now you can use your bank card to pay unbanned fee of OmeTV. After that you paid, OmeTV will unban you. Second method is close your OmeTV tab and open history in your browser. Now click on clear browser data and go to the advanced tab. Now select all time and tick on everything. After that clear browser data. Now restart your browser. After that go to OmeTV and you can see you have to log in using FBO VK account. Create a new FBO VK account for OmeTV. I have new FB account and I am going to log in using that account. Now you can see I can use OmeTV back. Hope you guys learned something from this video. Then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.